Hey guys, so I know it's been really long since I last filmed a YouTube video and uploaded. This honestly feels so weird because I haven't talked to the camera in so long. But I just want to say this past 2 months or you know whatever, since I've been uploading so long, I've just been enjoying my life off social media and not worry about posting videos or anything. I just wanted to grow spiritually, so yeah, I hope you guys can understand. But I'm back now and I'm back with a back to school video. My last video was the last day of high school and yet I'm back with a back to school video. But anyways, I don't really like long intros, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Starting off with the first DIY, you need a wooden plaque. And if you're wondering, I got mine at Michael's and it was really affordable. Moving on, I'm just taking my scotch tape to create some geometric shapes. If you guys don't know already, I love geometric shapes. Once that's done, I'll then take some acrylic paint. You can pick any color you want, but I just went with blue and white. And then I'm just gonna paint one side blue and the other side white. Once that's done, then I'll remove the tape, and I use acrylic paints so they dry really quickly. And then I just took another piece of washi tape and I'm just gonna apply it right on top of the blue where it ends so that I can paint the part where it's not paint yet. And you already know the drill. After that's done, I will then remove the tape and it's complete. Then I'm taking these gold clips I got from Michael's and I'm just gonna hot glue it on the top of the wooden plaque. And that's basically it. It took me like 5 minutes to do it. And basically you can clip on your notes, like your post-it notes, or you know, something like I have these little tabs and I'm just gonna clip it on. As for my next DIY, my favorite one out of all you need is a cardstock paper and some paint. Your choice, of course. I just picked, you know, some vibrant colors. Then I'm just gonna add some water to the paint so it creates this kind of watery paint, whatever you call it. Anyways, moving on. I'm just taking my sponge brush and I'm just gonna dab the paint onto the cardstock paper, as you can see. And then taking a straw, I'm like just gonna like, you know, blow in it so it creates like this kind of watery, splashy effect. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but you can basically see what I'm doing. I see this watercolor technique a lot, so yeah, and it looked really cool. I really like how the colors blend out with each other's, and you just want to repeat this step until you like it as how you want it. I don't know, but yeah, eventually I just stopped. Moving on, I'm just gonna take this flower stencil I got at Walmart because you guys know I cannot draw at all, and I'm just gonna trace it onto the cardstock paper once the paint has dried. You can either use a Sharpie or a pen. I didn't have a Sharpie, so I just used a pen, and it honestly took me quite a while to finish, but I really like the end result. So yeah, and guys, it looks so realistic, and I showed it to my mom and she actually thought I drew it. Once that is done, then I'm just gonna remove the stencil and voila, look at it, it looks so nice. And then I'm just gonna use a hot glue gun and glue it onto my notebook, and that's basically it. Now you have your own customized notebook. Take you on a world tour. Besides you dropping on the bedroom floors, yeah. I should buy a yacht just to take you on it. Wanna take you around the town just to watch you flaunt it. You're so pleasing to the eye, I'm just being honest. For you, I'm not a good roll. Came to you my pockets. I be like, you're my dope. So high, baby, work, girl. And this last one is actually not a DIY, it's just a way to organize. Anyways, I'm just taking this acrylic organizer, which I got from Walmart for like $1, and then I'm just gonna like organize all my, you know, supplies, and it's just a way for me to, you know, be more organized. Every day, with you, every day, with me, every day.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find my DIY easy and fun to make. So yeah, and I also want to say thank you so much for 92,000 subscribers. We are so close to 100,000, which is like mind-blowing to me because I barely upload, and you know, I don't expect myself to grow because I know I've been really inactive. But yeah, thank you so much for all you guys that support me and still stay with me. I'll put out more videos coming soon, and a K-pop DIY coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, like always, for watching and supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!